Hi, this is Sean Nichols with v3.co.uk here in San Francisco, speaking with Pat Patla from AMD about the new Bulldozer architecture and some of the things you're going to be releasing pretty soon here.
Yeah.
So Pat, can I kind of go into exactly what Bulldozer is and really why you guys are so excited about it?
Sure. So if you take a look at what we're about to launch, it is the brand new architecture for the next generation of server computing from AMD. If you take a look at what we've done, this is the first real big thing we've done in over 10 years. Even if you look at the original Opteron, that was a heavy integration effort. This is a brand new grounds-up design. Engineers thinking about a brand new whiteboard of how do I get to new levels of computing. And those different levels of computing consider the power efficiency, the scalability, the multi-thread aspects, as well as the modularity that you want to put into next generation servers so that you can get to the density model that you need for virtualization, so you can get to the scalability model that you need in HPC, so that you can get to the stability that you need for general IT, as well as all the security features that need to be put into next generation servers.
Now you're talking about especially these two lines that you're introducing now, two new chips. Can you go into really where you're going to target here? I know you kind of mentioned this to me earlier. Was you're really going for kind of the most popular segments here? You're not just trying to get really high end or entry level.
That's right. That's right. So you'll see the Opteron 4200 series as well as the 6200 series. So we'll have 4-core product, 8-core product, 12-core product, and 16-core product, first in industry. And that allows us to have a strong value proposition for everything from virtualization servers to database servers to, of course, that high-end HPC where we've always had success, as well as the stability for things like file and print and email servers in the general IT market. So we think a combination of the 4200 series, which is extremely aggressively priced for lower core count applications, as well as the 6200 series, which also will have an aggressive price point for the 8, 12, and 16 core variants, allows us to span the whole market.
Now, I know one of the big things is density. You mentioned this platform as far as having density not only in physical servers, but also running virtual machines. Can you explain some of the advantages and some of the breakthroughs you've had there?
Sure. So if you look at what we, once again, I think I said it, 16-core, first 16-core product in market. So now you could have 64 cores in a 4-way or 32 cores in a 2-way. IT managers can make a decision to put 1 VM per core. They're going to get extremely predictable support. And if you compare that to our competition, they would need 2.6 as many servers as us to receive the same level of density in a rack. So we could put all those machines in one rack. They would need 2.6 racks, for example, to reach the same level of virtualization density as AMD.
Now, another thing we're hearing a lot is cloud computing, the emergence of that, and how it's kind of driving the need for better power management. Mm-hmm. What are some of the power management and efficiency features you guys are really seeing with these new? Yeah,
so a lot of the new power efficiency features were things that were actually designed in from the start. Mm-hmm. So better idle time. So idle consumption that can be up to 46% better than a previous generation. Power gating has been fully implemented into these processors and thought about from the original design. The overall power capping is a new feature that goes in to allow IT managers to actually dial in specific TDPs of this part in 1 watt increments. So they can look at their processors and dial them down from 1 watt to whatever they would want to for a certain workload. So there's many power efficiency benefits that have been built in and are all new to this processor.
All right, great. Well, Pat, thanks a lot for taking the time to talk to me.
Excellent. Thank you.